Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crity React, and this comedy video you're about to watch, it will make you laugh. You will laugh. You will laugh. Now me tell you. So alright guys, without further ado, and make sure you like this video. Please like this video and comment. Make una dey comment now. A lot of you guys watch this comedy and laugh away. You don't just please comment. Person when they do and not be modding. Now human being make it a ginger, they do more now. Pick one name. Okay now. Make we dive into this comedy of today.
Aji, so we teach how to fight. Me, I be Kalat kid. All over go. Aji, so I teach how to fight. Go do like this. Check what you do. For guiding, you go do like this. You do like Z. Zim.
It is Phoebe. Don't remember. That is why you are here.
Big now, officer. Big Aji.
That is why you are here. Let's see this one from
Madam, what make you they call me?
I won't collect my plate.
Which plate be that one?
The place where I used to give your boy food the last time.
Wash up my boy!
That way they do like gay.
Huh?
Jennifer!
Where are you?
Where you go?
Okay, Dad, I want to go and trade my BTC with G-Roy because they're very fast and reliable.
You didn't mad? How many times I don't tell me you don't collect food for stranger? You want me to give you one shop?
I'm tired of all this nonsense. So my daddy's waiting for me.
May God punish your daddy? Are you mad? I'm here beating my daughter, sorry, my son. Because of you, you're telling me your daddy is waiting for you. May God punish you and your daddy. It's serious. And as for you, make sure say you carry all their food there, then you go throw away. Then the food there you don't chop.
Jesus.
This
is doctor's daughter.
Jennifer, if you know what's good for you, carry their plate, go give them. That if the plate is for better, sweetie, they bring and come. Jesus! Carry their calabash, go give them. That's it! It don't break! About me! That one is having them! Baba, no fear. I go fit use my split take go, man.
You want to use your teeth? Oh my God. Let's see this one from Edo boy.
Mama.
Customer, welcome. Hey, what do you want?
My usual now.
Okay.
Hey, babe, what will you eat?
Just give me beans and 6 eggs. 6 eggs? Yes.
Go on, my babe.
I'm coming.
Oh boy, this guy is actually going.
Senior. Jesus.
And they don't know what to do himself.
Hey, Jesus.
Yes.
I mean, I have to drink, but I don't forget. Very cold one.
Wait till they want this one. Who
It's like people they trust women. Even like this.
Mama, they drain my baby
Thou shalt not
fast
trust
now.
women. Start going behind you.
Mama, do fast, I bet.
Bros, wait don't know. Sweating your babe to do for your back.
My babe.
She said waiting.
Blood of Jesus.
Oh.
Hey! Babe! No. You have the mind to give another guy your number in my present. Bro, say, God bless you. If not for you, how will I do the kind of girl I'm dating?
I wonder.
And for you, we are done. It's over. You don't close to me. What's that one? Are you crazy? What's the business, man?
Opportunity for you.
It's fine, calm down. Okay, no. Just open, I'll drop you off, alright?
It is your car.
It's my car. Just open, I'll drop you off.
Your car, right?
Because you guys cannot use your eyes to see car and appreciate. And everybody did
Now why we be there?
perfect job here. The guy was not quick to realize that what Edo boy did was meant for is because Edo boy wants him to actually take the gear all for himself.
Why I forgot my gun? I for shoot this idiot.
It's happening like this. You see a lot of them on stream. You think they came differently. Meanwhile, they all came together. So we got money. Let's see this one from Ayamod. You won't go. You're making call. Oh, why can't you mind your business for once? Motell, malls. Look at it. And he didn't know that is the same phone they are beating that guy
ever
for.
see something go for.
Most do it. You know you need money. You need money to do a lot of things. Today might be your lucky day. They feel no catch you. Do am. Most don't do it.
Don't tell me rubbish.
Okay.
Slap the angel because don't want the angel to tell you.
Bros, you see my phone?
I no carry am.
See, never go. Wait, man, call the number. Yes, I beg, borrow me your phone.
Most shy warn you, you know yeah. This one don't put you for wahala now.
no
fear,
Slap
no
the
sign,
angel
they no
now.
go catch you. See, wetin go happen be say now everything don't be like this. Just put your hand for pocket, remove the phone, throw am for ground, so that if the phone ring, you no go ring for your pocket, it go ring for ground.
You are now on devil's side.
Bros, if you can't search me,
Think say they wise.
They will catch you. I'm not
Jesus.
Come. But I trade the phone.
most if like say na your phone you throw away.
Oh. Enopa. So if you don't know how to steal, you want to do how to steal. Let's see what she will do if it gets to her turn again.
What did you just say be your name?
Where is she going to bring Amma? Like, I just want to end it all. I will jam you with my car. That's how women is, I swear. That's how they are. I mean, oh God.
So tell me, Uche, why did you come this far to see me?
General, I came to see you because of your request to date me. I really want to know, do you really like me? Or is it because of my body?
Stop that! Don't let anybody hear you. Of course I do love you. See, I fell in love with you because of your whole personality. If I wanted sex, I
Lucky
could get it from
there.
anywhere else, from any other girls. I love you. Alright?
I mean, no,
Wait,
they
let me
trust
get
me,
you something to
man.
drink. Wait up!
I don't trust boys,
Let me
so.
quickly ease myself before you do, okay?
Oh, alright, the restroom is down that way. Alright, fine girl. I see the
Blood of Jesus.
Bro, you know I like this girl. Bro, you love this girl. I know the plans you have for her. It's of good, not of evil. To give her what? Unexpected end.
Yes,
I'm
General.
just
You know what? Something came up, okay? Let me quickly go.
No, stay.
I'll give you your answer today.
You actually effort for putting down your thoughts.
Bro, you
Look
know I
like
like
bad.
this girl. Love this girl. I know the plans you have for her.
Oh, you call me.
Reply.
Hello?
General, I'll be your girlfriend.
That's what I want to hear right there.
Honestly, the general is so lucky. I think he's so lucky to discover that recording. I swear, I didn't discover that. Oh boy, it is done. That guy coming there would have said something. Earthquaking. So be loud.
How far? You get smoke?
I smoke there now.
How much?
5,000.
This small thing, 5,000.
Oh boy, go pay, I you no go pay.
5K. How am I going to pay? And the guy is going to pay because he's an addict. Look at. Happy for 5K stuff. Igbo. Oh my God. Is this one hitting them? Actually bought from a mad woman. You bought stuff from a mad woman.
I swear is that you are mad. Why you let this guy escape? Why you let this guy escape? On a better case. Start to the case. Now who they? She said anybody even have to. Jesus!
So who she sell out for? Momad, Bokolo. These guys are gone.
Whatever they look for me, fuck out of here.
Keep bumping, no matter what. Keep bumping.
Hello, baby. Have you gone to the store to get me the card?
Money.
Not yet. How can I trust you?
Let's have it.
Guy, don't let me say send your client $2,000.
Just to gain our trust.
Hey! Wait till you see $2,000. For 6 months now, none of us don't pick $10.
Go they send client money.
I loan from bank. But Muna no panic. She could send us $10,000 now.
Daddy?
You know waiting? Call her video call. Call your client video call now.
Mama sent a photo. I tell you now, why too much? How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Money don't drop. Hold up.
Who does that one?
That thing.
What's going on here?
Money don't go.
What's your law?
Dealer is gone.
This is that man. Come on. Which one is gone? This phone actually, let's see this one for my own.
They want to kill me. Please hide me, please.
Hide you? I don't know you.
Oh, please, you don't need to know me. Just hide me.
I'm not hiding you. I don't know you.
Alpha, guy. When me she was short guy, we wear white cap.
I don't say anybody.
This guy they use juju touch people, collect their prick. Hey, now you see these people, you don't collect their prick. You don't worry, we go find out, we go kill her today. Yes. Let's go.
That guy should check himself.
Bros.
Oh, Tilo.
What?
Fast. He has moving. It is gone.
What is it getting?
Yo guys, you know you can win iPhone 15 Pro Max on 1xBet if you register and use the promo code AYO300 on your first deposit. Click on the take part offer.
I really love Ayomide, honestly, and the guy comedy. It is sweet, especially when he collaborates with Crity alias Showboy comedian. Let's go and see the next. SK is the next. Always angry.
What's your name? Abayo. Yeah. Do you realize the work you are doing here?
Yes, I'm a Baba. Yes,
you are a Baba.
Yes,
what's the name of this company?
Hello Beauty Studio, sir.
Hello Age Beauty. Why they talk fast? Hello Age Beauty Studio. And here we do plenty things.
Yes, sir.
Not they employ people where they get this kind of face. I tell my wife, when you want to employ somebody, you look the face of the people. Because if clients come, if they see this face, we can get problem with clients. So they're going to make up you. You they get me so?
What's wrong with the guy?
They get me?
Almost is gosh. Among you, crazy for this.
You did disrespect me. What's the name? What's the name, my friend?
So I actually need to help you. SK is killing me with
You're no longer working here. Go and pick your things.
Okay.
Now the work I dey do so. Now the work I dey do, I know they play for you.
God have mercy upon us.
Wow.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my sister. Do you realize the company you're working with?
Yes, sir.
What's the name of this company?
Hello Age Beauty Studio, sir.
Hello Age.
Yes, sir.
Beauty Studio. How old are you?
Me, I'm 20.
Very good. You see this place where let me open up for my wife. Character like this, I will not tolerate it.
God have mercy upon us.
You've been doing these nails now for about
and the
2
guy is still
hours.
laughing.
Talk to customer with a disrespectful tone. Everybody they listen. They go suffer. Put money for business to do adverts. To let people know say we dey do different type of things for inside this place.
Okay. After you eat this okra.
They see them. They see everything. Then you go do finish. You go take your bad character. They pursue clients. I sister, they know this. Let me open the store for my wife. Oh.
They all know.
If they see the problem, so
they all
and my wife got to select all this one. You cannot select people who will work for you without prayer. No problem. Where my wife? This is the place where they take person. And we are paying somebody to be cleaning this place. Then they pay you for place, make you clean and make you the mobile. See dust.
This is how
you clean them. Then clients will come, go sit down on top of dust. Then at the end of the day, you spend the day. No problem. We'll deduct money for this guest salary. Victoria!
Talk for your wife. Somebody is now trying to like make
yeah,
you
they do
all of them.
pedicure. See the way you lift dust for this place.
I see like anything won't tolerate that.
I'm sorry.
He won't tolerate that.
Go for a pizza for me.
My husband, see my spa room now. I buy steamer with money where you give me. I buy two clean machine, facial steam.
This one is
the wife.
Yes, babe. Always pick my call whenever I call you. Try and make yourself available. I'm always alone in this house. My husband travels a lot. This week he's in US. Next week he's in Germany. He travels a lot.
This evening you will die.
Anytime I call you, pick my calls, come over and sleep over.
Hey! How are you?
Excuse me. Hi, honey.
Hello, baby. Guess what? In 15 minutes, I'll be home.
Baby, tell me it's a prank.
15?
Okay, baby, I'm in the kitchen. I need to hide you right now. I need to hide.
Let's do what?
Let's do what? My husband is coming back and you tell me let's do what? Come on, let me hide you.
You should have allowed Funny Bros to just go out.
He's on the pad.
Funny Bros, you should have allowed Funny Bros to just leave the premises. Like, go to his own house now. Maybe after the man has gone, she will call Funny Bros and Funny Bros will come back. But now, she's taking Funny Bros to the house.
Flo. Phoebe, have fun now. I do. Actually, I want to go to the market. Can my brother stay here? I'll come back and pick him up. He has mental issues.
Who has mental issues?
Hey! You mean your brother is having mental issues and you want to keep him in my house? No, Flora. If he stays alone, he will destroy things. But if he's with someone, he will not.
Jesus. Why would you say he have mental issues?
Honestly, Vivi, it's because it's you. Thank you. You stay aside. No problem. I'm not taking him inside my house. I'll not waste time. No problem. Thank you. Let him come and sit. Stay here. Let me go confirm if my husband is actually coming back. He's fond of pranking me. Okay. I'll come back and pick you up, okay?
But I'm not mad.
Look at what they are using Funny Bros.
Flora.
Just want to knock.
Pick him shortly. Please be fast, though.
Let's be as good. So you and I know it's not going to fine for Funny Bros.
How are you?
Oh, and Fifi did not even bring chain.
They've already labeled you a madman. You can't take your Voila.
Madam, Mr. Benedict and I get a move.
Hey. Now some people they behave. Me too, I won't give my dog. Now wait till you want chop.
Madam, no reason waiting stop. Waiting carry me come here and a fucking kiss. If me see the man inside, give me my chop. Nobody knows tomorrow. Hey, man, get down! Hey! What was that? Madam, where your husband?
He know there. Oh, he left this morning.
Oh, he said we come now. Him here.
Butterfly. See this man waiting here. Make this and drop mistake.
Shoot him.
Hey,
baby.
Baby,
you shoot to go shoot. Mama, give me your number. One of these days, more walk. 20 bar, 30 bar, 24 hours.
Hey, Jesus. This is a fucking case.
It
is very shameful. Which one is 20 bar, 30 bar, 40 bar? And the next thing, she didn't even shot him once. Twice. Let me see both guys.
Okay.
I run for you, not even shot, give me.
Are you mad?
I beg cut you back, see my leg again. Referee can't see this guy, which kind of says
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Biko, forgive my
Even
son.
the mother came to the guy.
Forgive my son because of his leg, Biko.
Who is this one? I'm a road.
This evening you will die.
where's the Shopofo. Mona first they play. I dey up here.
What did they do for there now? Come down, move, play ball. We no complete now.
Alpha, we don't complete. Now 4-4
okay.
One person don't come out.
Who come out? That's off now. They up now.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
You win your set too.
Oh, the person you're afraid of, you actually met him with you right on top of the fence. Just one push, you are gone. Let's see.
But which kind of be this one now? You just made me there outside this morning.
Oh, are you the driver?
This kind of question, I'm going to go, Jerry.
Oh no, wait, let me quickly have my bath.
I don't understand. I feel like playing my cook for you, right? You don't tell me before you take your bait.
No, my pipe in my bathroom burst and I'm waiting for my plumber to come and fix it, okay?
This is play.
Make I wait for your plumber to come. I dare not wait.
Wait, okay, you know what? Can you help me fix it yourself so we can leave on time?
That's what I do for you.
But like, you know, we tell people where they fix now for you for this house before I come.
I'm the only one in the house.
Okay.
I think this house.
Yeah, I'm the only one at home.
Oh my God. Let's have it.
The pipe we burst now inside your bedroom.
In my bathroom.
Inside your own bedroom.
Yes.
You are my follow me, go.
Thank you.
My back door.
Madam, I beg, I don't want to waste time. As I do for that bedroom like that, you said it's not so everything will be clear.
The driver has automatically come.
Now plastic engineer I study for school.
You got it.
I don't see work now why they do.
Madam!
Oh, look at my plumber.
Oh, bad
Where have you
man.
been now? I've been waiting for you since.
Sorry, Chairman, which university study your plumber for?
What's going on here?
Anytime you come do for you. Now I'm going to Lagos to talk. I like it.
I want to see it.
No verse, bros. Madam, what's happening for you? I don't know my them. I got this verse for people. They don't sabi anything. Now they make they do plumber.
Oga, na me be the #1 plumber for this whole estate.
Exactly, he's my estate's plumber.
Thank you very much.
God have mercy upon us.
Sorry, no verse.
Man, they never leave you.
Please, go upstairs. This is my bathroom, okay?
Upstairs?
Yes.
What you do, Bonowa?
The driver, so please, eh?
Who please? Na driver I be. And you dey talk. Tozo.
Driver, so
What did I just hear? What
Let
is?
me quickly just go and bath now that he's here.
I dare not be with madam.
How about now, boy? You said
I'm
you
not
wait for
giving
me
anything.
before.
I will wait for
That's
you.
not nice, bro. Wait.
God have mercy.
But
you know
this is what
what?
you're supposed to do now, as a
So what you
driver.
do for this like you order Uber, you never bath. So as I wear yellow clothes like this now, I
For
be
the
like a
woman
person
sef.
for
I can't expect him to.
Come on, we dey go there, you move go.
Carry.
Chama, how Uber be this? Where you go?
You Uber? I beg, I just want me to carry me each gate now. I order in drive. You dey wait for me for gate.
Now use Uber go carry him drive.
Me Uber carry you go meet him drive for gate.
I've never seen no. So you want me to use Uber to carry go another in drive?
Get quiet name here. What is happening?
You are mad. My son.
My sons.
Why are you here?
Why are you people here?
Papa,
Hmm?
we are in love with each other.
Yeah. No, no understand. I say my sons, like two of them be boy. Why are you people here?
Baba, this is my fiancée. Yeah, we've been dating for years now.
We want to get married.
We want to get married.
Just come give us fortification.
Just bless our marriage and.
No, but you be boy, I be
Did I
girl.
just hear them say marriage?
Boy.
Forget.
From when the boy you wait till you be.
Are you going now?
You when the boy you wait till you be.
Baba, all these questions no they necessary now.
So
those blessings now. What we need.
okay, man, bless you now. Don't be in love.
Bless us.
When I want to get married.
Yes.
Are you are serious?
Yes.
Two
Wow,
boys.
me and my baby.
And this native doctor is fake.
Oh. Yeah, your baby.
45 years.
I really love him. I'm shy. You know what it? No, she might bring me to go use Spotify you now.
Thank you, Baba.
And they come out.
Are you sure you're going to bring this thing on? You're going to cost
Baba is here.
Baba, you waste time.
Oh, I don't really waste time. Oh. I just small thing.
Who can be this one? Pa?
Okay, them. Now my friends.
Fortification.
I bet let me talk that thing we talk before. Why you not come here?
Baba, we now just to come bless our union.
We are in love with ourselves.
Chai, this boy they really beat you now. Hey, sorry.
This is not a weekend.
When get Muna come.
This is really fortification.
When I dey in love. Come. When I come, mama. Hey, see what person go live. Say they. You come closer.
They actually dealt with them nonsense people.
Are you? Between these two girls now and this your friend, choose one. Between two of them, choose one, and this your guy, choose one.
Choose this one.
Fine girl, follow.
He's actually teaching them a good lesson.
So you don't want to choose your guy again?
No, after all this beating.
So you now, you go choose this guy, you go choose your guy. Who you go choose?
No, no, sure.
Choose the girl. Fine girl, follow. Mona, come on here. Mona, come on here before. See them.
If the Nigerian police
we are in
are
love.
like this,
Bless our union.
The police of Nigeria is actually teaching these people lesson like this. After I not talk to you, now I'm bad girls. Bobrisky will not even exist. I swear, nobody will come out and say
person here again. Carry that kind of thing.
He's a Gabriel.
Neighbor, good morning.
Neighbor, well done.
I bet you still dey do your delivery work.
I still dey do the work. What happened?
No, nothing happen. You go join me do delivery. Give my younger sister.
Okay.
I beg, I'll give you the address.
No wahala now. As long as you go pay, I no get problem.
No worry, I go pay. Yeah? Just see the package here. That's for me to just one carry give her.
Just this.
No, just I go send you the address. And they come make a carry nylon. Because I'm not sure say you get nylon for your house.
Don't know what is inside the food, you are eating it. This is how you eat people's delivery other food.
Hurry up now. I don't
give me the other pack, I beg. You give me the other food pack. See the real food pack here. They don't want to be.
I don't understand.
And then give me, bring it first. And I collect this one. This other one you go carry go deliver.
Wait.
Give me there.
Don't come with this one again.
No. And then I want to be the real. This thing I want to give her. This other food pack.
Wait, hold on. Which one be? Nah, this one be the real meat.
Understand? Really?
The other one way me a chop. Sorry. The other one way they inside. Waiting the day.
You know, say for where I come from, we dey chop human being. So the other one a human being part. Where my senior bros did not cook keep. Make I no can carry give you me, no can go get you. You understand? So now this other one I go to meet again. So just send me I go send you the address. Yeah?
Neighbor.
Huh? You get any shot or anyone?
Yeah. No, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
So
they're alright.
So make I write the address for paper give you, yeah? Okay, no problem. Thank you.
What? Look at you. You must call Philip. I swear. Philip,
hello, Philip. I need your help. I don't chop person.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, for 50,000, waiting for fee. Where the 50,000 naira? Calm down. For 50,000 naira. 50,000. You get the money here. 50,000 naira a day. Just calm down. Who owed the 50,000? The money day. Calm down. For 50,000 naira, I don't know. For 50,000. Get 50,000. Where you go give person? The money day. The money day. Yes. Who owe them? Tell my guy for that side. How many videos we don't do today? Match. Okay. Which one? The one where we wear native, or the one where we wear polo? The one where we wear polo.
You allow them to stop first now before going.
Calm down now. Abba, what you tell him? No matter they tell us, I tell him.
But this time his own is different. I've been telling all that I can be protected.
The man can say many years in it. How many years, guy that boy? What do you think was gonna happen?
They play.
They really should have been made to pay. What's going on here?
I won't, but you will not listen.
I'm a doctor. Let me check up on her.
I can't read the pulse.
I'm sorry, she's gone.
Get up, I want you.
Babe, what happened now?
She used all her life savings to play bet, and now she lost.
She dey play bet.
Say no to bet.
You for tell me now.
Phoebe, I
I get too old for you if you cash out big time from. See, if you bet with Paripost NG and use my promo code now they Insta, they'll give you 150,000 naira on your first deposit.
Madam, rise up and walk.
Jesus! Click the link in my bio.
Yeah, can I see you?
Strong that bad.
He died yesterday. Can you raise him up?
See, do you know that if you bet on Paripost NG and use my promo code, you'll get 150,000 naira on your first deposit as you register?
What did you just say be your name?
Just go to your church.
Believe. That's all
Just go to your church because
Excuse me, I want to be on my way.
So fast.
Okay, answer me, please. My cab is downstairs.
How much am I paying you? How much?
500k.
500k? For which thing now?
Please answer me, give my money. I'll scream repo.
Huh?
Pay me my money now.
Call your account.
5 now. 73 57 8.
This bank.
OP.
Cents.
Now you can't stress me since.
She a real.
For your mind, you have not seen anything. I wouldn't allow her to go if I were the one actually. You don't know what is happening. You don't know. You don't know. You will still be in the same room. Do the right thing.
Chibi, I don't pay you already now.
Yes.
They go now.
Okay.
She keeps seeing the guy like I don't understand.
I send your account.
She keeps seeing
This one.
in a mysterious way.
60 1205 OP.
I don't see that.
At 490 you can later send.
She has Jada.
So what they do?
What a thoughtful girl.
I feel good.
You don't. If they go now.
Oh my God! It's all out.
Woman, we won't kill me.
You will explain to her friends, they will not believe her. They will think she's lying. Let's see this one go. You're too funny and his mother, gangster mother of that. This comedy will make you laugh, and I think this woman is actually going viral gradually with time. She goes gradually viral. Let's go, guys, and see where this girl is actually running to. In this rain, you want to come and collect?
Mommy, good morning, ma. I can't see my man.
You can't see your man. You be over. I be you get homeless. When you go enter this car every rain for this car early morning. When you walk up, see man. See your life.
God have mercy upon you.
Sure say you be side chick because main chick no fit do this can't when you do so.
At all.
Mom, what did happen now?
This one a shower boy.
Babe,
As in
you
black.
don't come.
Yes.
Yeah, come inside now.
Go where? Rain dey fall. You are made a plant corn. You won't plant your things inside woman. Go see what you do yourself.
I
And
don't
you
know.
go out. I said move ahead.
My future, my home.
You want plant your tree?
Mommy, you don't start again. You don't start
If I slap you. Fornicators.
Some of you are just evil.
Fornicators meaning they are two. This one Rukky is at the site today. What's going on? Let's see, shall we? Rukky doing the bouquet. I hope he's not doing this laboring, work because of the woman. Because let's see, shall because Rukky is not that kind of guy that work very difficult work and pack all the money straight to his girlfriend. He's a very stingy boy. Yeah. He is a stingy boy, and I know something will happen. Shall let's see. Maybe he will have problem with the owner of the house or the manager of the site, all those things. But I don't know. Shall let's see how it goes.
Remember I was there for you when you had nothing. Oh, not when you start having money now. You just forget about me. Oh, you start chasing other girls. Oh.
I be tell you see other girls in my mind before.
Yeah, because now so now they do now. When the money come now, you start chasing other girls. Remember I was there for you when you had nothing.
Oh, she's
Yeah, come on, carry the block together.
Babe, how do you expect me to carry block now? You they see girls of nowadays, they date person where they carry block. I'm not happy that I'm dating you like this.
This dread, you won't dread.
So now be the guy for me where you get for me so because say you date me when I dey carry block. The block when I dey carry so they still pay me, not be I go still give the money.
Oh.
Yeah, now make I just tell you.
Wait till you escort me call work today, not because say you dey find money when you want to play it.
And I make I just tell you so.
You were there for me. You were there for me. Call carry block. They tell me say you know I see to see where they date to the carry block. I beg you, man, you date me.
You know if you beg.
Who they carry block now handicap?
Not be when you go start with the game money now you go forget me. You go just start to the chase all the girls where they.
So you date for me now? So because they date me and they carry block. I tell you, I beg you, man, you date to the carry block.
I won't tell you what I won't tell you.
Come on, carry block together. If you don't say you want day for me.
See, not try that kind of talk again.
Oh, that is too hard now.
As I don't understand. Carry block, help you carry block. See talk. Now the money I can't collect. As you work finish, you give me man they go.
That is too hard, Rukky.
So now you date for me where you date for me.
Yes, now have you see who they date poor man? Guess of nowadays they date poor guys. I don't understand.
What you
take us serious?
I mean the cop poor man.
You poor now. Not be blocky they carry. First way they carry block, not be poor.
Poor humble beginning.
I don't understand.
Come on the side. Come on. No, come on the side.
I don't understand. Which one? Give me the money now. I go do the.
Come on for the side now. You declare. Now me the cop poor man. Your packer money pass me.
Give me the money, show.
Your packer money pass me, Abi.
Okay, don't give me Peller now.
Why they push me? Why they shout for me? Something what? Stand do. I don't say Peller go enter. Please, you guys should stop making noise, okay?
Doctor, how much? I won't come out this Peller. Ain't go pay.
Okay. Sir, this abortion is going to cost you 700,000. Doctor, no worry. Remember the beginning. I don't think I go do. Come on, they go.
Leave me.
Many months later.
Congratulations, sir. It's a bouncing baby boy. Sir, why are you not smiling? Where they go?
You don't know yet.
So the waiting carry companies in this. Yes, now. I got to say to abort the pikin at 700,000. Allah have born the pikin, the nice man strangle him.
You will end there.
They play.
Where you? Let some person call you.
For a mind on abortion.
Hello?
Hello, babe. I just found out that I'm pregnant before they arrested you, and the doctor said the abortion fee is 800K.
Don't worry, I know what to do. My guy, Black will spend more years for this prison.
Man! He will burn it and he will still. He will take me, but police will arrest those people that actually did the case. For those that did the abortion stuff, they will not arrest them.
Babe, what happened now? You know this is our first time meeting. I've been waiting for you for an hour now.
Sorry, the traffic was so mad. But let's go inside so we're going to get something before going to my place. You understand now?
This guy, and this guy has been long in the industry. Johnny Froge, I swear, his comedy is actually trying, and he loves like featuring big celebrities.
So this girl's on her period and she just wants to wind me up.
Tonight is not going to be successful.
Where did John go?
They joke.
Hello, sister. Yes, I have already bought the part for you. Yes, I will bring it over to your site tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Where did John go now?
Go back. You fear too much. Johnny Pro just missed something big. I swear, but he didn't know. He didn't know because he left there impatiently.
What be your point with this?
Yeah, not you.
Come on, hand for my body now.
Who will be this one?
She devil, she Peller, bitch, she rebel.
Who is this? Nature.
Wow.
Oh.
Angela, how do you know I was the one?
Okay. I need to show your body odor.
Hello.
I'm living in pain. I'm emotionally stressed.
Oh.
Bros, I dey sell pet food. You go like buy.
I forgot my
What?
I forshot this idiot.
It's a huge embarrassment. Oh.
I want to say something to you, but I want to make it very, very
Red
clear.
relationship is
Okay.
still me
What is
like
it?
1
I
year
want you to be my
old.
girlfriend.
1 hour old Chinedu.
Yes. Wow. I feel good.
Bouncing. You know this kind of relationship now. There are a lot of you watching me. You are, as I'm talking, you are still in this kind of relationship. You are still in this kind of relationship.
Waiting too long, baby, me. Got on my plane and I'm in traffic.
You are still in this kind of relationship. You watching me. Many people, in fact, as you are watching me, you are making call, calling your boy, calling your girl. Not lie. But be careful. Be careful so that you don't you don't fall victim just as this guy. Yeah, because you just be making call. Look at that one. Taking waste bin. Where is she taking it to? She's not herself. All her mind is in that call. Like it's on that call. I'm sorry, it's on that call. This one entered motor that she don't even know what is going. Welcome to the street.
Yeah!
Welcome to Ogun State. And
Anybody who is in love is an idiot.
Lagos!
Have to fall in love to become an idiot.
Please, I know you are in this kind of situation right now. You watching me, please be careful, okay? Please be cool. Don't let love catch you like that. You want to do so, please? Abi?
This man deserves.
Oh, this is oh my god.
Jesus.
You just prank everyone actually. You are like movie, just prank everyone, I swear. Let's see this one from Iviana Obi and the short thief. The short thief. For his mind. You have stolen somebody's phone and you're out, you don't even look back, you just run it. Please look your back. Oh my gosh. You think maybe he's running and it's not going anywhere. Why now? Why are people like this? Alright guys, thank you for watching this comedy video. And I know you enjoyed this one. You actually enjoyed it. And please, sorry if I didn't post yesterday because I was quite busy, extremely busy. And I think I am free today, so I decided to post this comedy. It has been long. I compiled it. I just compiled it since, let me say, since 2 days ago. I compiled it since 2 days ago, and I decided to keep it. Because I was so busy yesterday and day before yesterday. So today I'm kind of free, so I decided to react to it, just to make you laugh, just to entertain you, and I believe you enjoyed it. Please don't just watch and go. Kindly subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also share this video to all your social media platforms. Share it to your loved ones, share it to your fans, your sisters, your brothers, your enemies, everyone out there. Just put a smile on somebody's face by sharing this video, because this video will actually put a smile to somebody's face beyond your own imagination. So it can save so many lives. You won't even have you don't even have idea how this is going to save so many lives. So just share it. Laughter is very good in our system. It's very good in our system. All right guys, about this particular game trending, like this mining game, a lot of people are really having interest about this game, and they have been mining, and I've been hearing rumors that this game is actually helping a lot of people. This particular game, yes, this mining game is actually paying out. Like, so many people are actually catching out from this game, and I really do not understand. I don't know if they are actually telling the truth, or it's just normal stuff, just as before, when they say, okay, oh, buy this and get this free, something like that. But I don't know. If you have any idea about this, please comment in the comment below. Let's see if this is actually paying, if it's paying off. Honestly, if people are cashing out from it, just let us know, so that we help many people that are really confused about this. And also, and I know a lot of people are actually looking for updates. A lot of people actually need this update. If it's actually paying, whether big or small, just let us know, and so I'll know how to get to you, and you pass me the link so I can share it to people that actually need it. As for me, I have not ventured into it at all, because I am looking at it with a common eye. Like, it's not going to work. Money is not easy. You cannot just be tapping your phone and at the end of the day receiving large income. I don't really know, but never can tell. Taking risk is nothing but taking risk. Trying does not cost any harm. So guys, that is for that. And what is your take on this comedy compilation video? What do you see in there? What is your favorite moment? What do you love about this comedy? And who is your favorite like comedian? And who actually made you laugh the most in this comedy? The comment section is wide open. Kindly comment and give your thoughts about this comedy compilation. Don't just watch and laugh away. You don't just watch and laugh away. It's very bad. You like, you subscribe, you comment. That will make me, see reason of doing more and make me understand that, oh, these people really love what I'm doing, and to give me some kind of, motivation that will, stir up those ginger in me to do more, and to think about how to upgrade it more, so you don't just watch and go. So as for the mining game, hit us in the comment and just say your thoughts, say what you think, what you have experienced, and what you've seen in this mining game, And also don't forget to comment your favorite moment, like this video, and share it to all your social media platforms. All right, guys. So let me dive into our favorite moment, my own favorite moment in this comedy. Like, they are done much. I'm not going to be wasting up your time here right now, because today is just no olori buruku here, no ori buruku here, no oshi here, according to that comedian. All right, guys. I really love that guy Loudy and Chanel. Yeah, they did perfectly well in that comedy. Man don't know the ad. When you guys are playing games, they'll just like, maybe it's a slap me and slap you game. If you fail a slap, you just like smoke, bam. But when it gets to the woman's turn, it's actually something else. The guy used I think dispensable empty water can to hit her head, and what she did is unimaginable. A car, you want to use it to drive and no, nah. Women, make una dey calm down. That's very huge, and I love this one from Machala, aka Kata Efe. Kata Efe actually did well, and I love this comedy. The comedy is actually nice, and also that lot of funny comedy scene in this comedy video. And Kekere, who stole somebody's bola, sometimes if your mind not carry you to help some kind of people, don't help them. No matter the kind of condition they are, if your mind not carry you, don't help them. Do what your spirit leads you to do. Do as your spirit leads you. Do that thing. You don't do what you feel what you don't want to do. Like, I immediately never want to help that guy, but because of I don't know how the guy convinced him, and he actually found himself helping him. And at the end of the day, the guy stole his vital organ. We go take get generation. Well, let me not say much. I think calling it a day. Thanks for watching, and thanks for staying tuned to this extent. Man, I not go bite my tongue. Gosh. All right, guys. Have a wonderful time and remain blessed. Bye.